hopeful. Yeah, man, don't know Cyprus again, you know. These are the ones them. Still try the journey, you know, from Babylon to Rastafari. And I'm telling you, say, I don't want to feel like say, oh, it's just a Rasta thing. When you hear and I say from Babylon to Rastafari. The book is deep. You see it. So last time I was talking to him, I told him, say, yo, Leonard Percival Oil, I said, if you don't know about him, you don't want to know about Leonard. You know what I say? And believe me, that man was doing so much for Jamaica and the people them, that the system itself put that man in asylum. You know, them clout him, saying mad, saying this, saying that, and fine, all sort of things. And up to this day, yeah, them not acknowledging it. Them not put him out there yet and make him known to the public and to the world. You know, say, yo, this man yeah, is of significance figure in Jamaica back then when Tanzania got through all of the devastation of the slave trade, free from slavery, you know, like everything. And them just bury the man just so, bury him life in history. But until I say there, you know, the book, factual, real facts. So in the whole process, I'm not telling up Pinnacle and up there everybody could live free and just supply and support each other. And the police them, Babylon, Bustamante, send up and mash up the people in place, trample up and all these things, lock him up and base it, you know. And remember now, you have Prince Emmanuel also. That time I tell about in the 1960s, you see me I say. And him a film camp also out of Akiwak in a Spanish town, they mash it up same here till him have to shift it and carry a bully beer. You see me I say? Yeah man. And that time they what them call it, the bloody shitty of Kingston, because a whole heap of things there are going. You see me I say, remember all the big right down a Montego Bay and everything. You see me I say, yeah. All of them things there. I want to hear them I see on the news also wherein them whatever the government do, Minister Bob Zigrage give them some repatriation money and some land or some stuff, you know, for all of them things there. Acknowledge them on the battlefield where the Rastafari them have to face. Because a whole heap of them they get dead and a whole heap of things go on. You see. So we have to remember now. As a Marcus said, a man without his history like a tree without a road. So we have to live up to our history, our heritage, our culture. You see me I said, that's how I said, give me back my sweet Jamaica. Our heritage, our culture, our strength, our backbone. Yeah man. So check the start man, check the facts, get the book.